I work as a chief designer at a drug manufacturing plant in Dzerzhinsk. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP to produce our products. 4 months ago, our company decided to master the production of a drug in capsules for stomach. We bought equipment for the production of the drug, organized the site, and began the procedure of obtaining the necessary documents for product certification. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. Our company conducts a number of pilot tests, researches with the help of various laboratory equipment before launching the drug. For this purpose, it is necessary to provide test samples. In order to make single sample capsules for testing, it was decided to buy an inexpensive device for filling gelatin capsules. So I started looking for a solution to the problem with the confidence that I would immediately find a suitable option. It was necessary to find the device within 3 weeks. The certification process is a long procedure, and the sooner I find the device, the sooner we can put the drug into production. On the recommendation of my colleagues, the first thing I did was to contact European equipment manufacturers. They could advise me on some equipment or design it for me. I understood that there is no hopeless situation, so I continued to look for a solution. I could not find the device for filling gelatin capsules by myself, so I decided to turn to an intermediary specialist. I needed a professional who had been working for a long time in the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, who knew his field and could competently advise me the best quality and price of the device. I started my search for a specialist on the internet. I chose 3 of the most presentable companies. As the criteria, I considered the company's time on the equipment delivery market, its website, the terms of delivery of the machine. I called to all the companies by phone in order to be sure of the manager's professionalism. The specialist of one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. He asked specific questions about the performance of the device, the characteristics of the capsules. He suggested a device at the consultation stage, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company management. The device was acceptable in terms of characteristics and price. Within a week, we concluded a contract for the delivery of the device for filling gelatin capsules. I was not quite sure whether our capsules would fit in this fixture, so the specialist suggested that we send some unfilled capsules for testing. 3 days later, I received a video in the mail, in which our green, and then red unfilled capsules, formed full red-green capsules with the help of the device. The device was delivered within 2 weeks. We were pleased with the device recommended and supplied by the manager of the company from Moscow. Initially, I was skeptical about the proposed option of a device, but experience has shown that in any case, you need competent advice from a professional, and then the case will be successful. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to keep us so.